Earth Day is more than just a day, it's a reminder, it's a call to action. For over 5 decades, Earth Day has brought people together. We unite to fight for our planet. It all began in 1970. Millions of people marched. They demanded change. They wanted a healthier planet. Their voices were heard. Governments took action. The United States created the Environmental Protection Agency. Important laws were passed, like the Clean Air Act and Clean Water Act. Today, Earth Day is celebrated globally. Over 1 billion people participate. Every year we renew our commitment. We must protect our planet. Our future depends on it. Earth Day 2025 marks a crucial moment. Our planet is in crisis. We are facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change is accelerating. Biodiversity is declining at alarming rates. Pollution is choking our air and water. The year 2024 was the hottest on record. We are experiencing more extreme weather events. Floods, droughts, and wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe. The consequences are devastating. We are running out of time. The science is clear. We need to act now. Earth Day 2025 is a call to action. We must demand change. We need to transition to a sustainable future. The theme for Earth Day 2025 is Our Power, Our Planet. It is a reminder that we have the power to make a difference. Together we can create a better future. There are many things we can do to protect our planet. We can reduce our carbon footprint, we can conserve energy and water, we can choose sustainable transportation, we can support companies committed to sustainability, we can also make a difference in our communities. Join a local cleanup, plant a tree, support a community garden. Educate others about environmental issues. Our individual actions matter, but we also need systemic change. We need governments to implement policies that promote sustainability. We need businesses to adopt sustainable practices. We can all be part of the solution. Support organizations working to protect our planet. Vote for leaders who prioritize environmental action. Speak out about the urgent need for change. Earth Day is a reminder that we are all connected. We share this planet. We have a responsibility to protect it for ourselves, for future generations. Every action counts. No effort is too small. Let's make Earth Day 2025 a turning point. Together we can create a healthier, more sustainable future. The time for action is now. Our planet depends on it. Let's make Earth Day every day. Let's be the change we want to see in the world.